Hi everyone. Now let's talk about clear method from Python list data structure. This clear method can be used to remove all the elements from the list data structure. Now let us understand here. I am just taking num equal to any list name, you can take it 1 4 or you can say 1 4 8 9. Then first confirm whether it is list or not. Then you need to work on it. So now let's see type of num, then execute. Now you need to find out the number of elements from this. So you need to like print of total elements from list data structure. Then you can say here length of num. So 4 elements are here. Now what I am trying to take, I am trying to use clear method to remove all elements. Now here num dot clear. So now when we execute here, now you need to take same example, then using this one. So when I execute now, let's see, list will be there. You can try to take print of. Now you can say, so the list after the clear method you need to print list, and then you need to print of type of num. So now when we execute now, let's see, this will be the list and we are using clear method to remove all the elements. Now previously it was 4, now it's 0 because we have deleted or removed all the elements from the list data structure using clear method. And if you want, you can try to take one more value here, but make sure one thing, whenever you are using clear method, then if you are using 9, if we are going to delete that one, then clear takes no arguments. That means always clear should be empty. Then you can say clear method should be empty. So now whenever you are using this method, whenever I am using here, then you will be getting 0. So this is all about clear method in this, but we can do another format also, not a problem. So we'll take one more example here. So how this example will be, let's see here, I am just taking k1 equal to, then list value you can take it. So inside you can take any values, like it will be set, and then you can take it here tuple also you can take it, and then you can use inside the list also, like how it will be 1.1, then 2.2, any values you take. So first confirm whether it is list or not, k1, then print of type of k1, execute now. So that will be the list now, because we are accepting any type of values inside that. Now we need to take count also. Then you can say print of total elements from dictionary is. Then you can say k1, length of k1, So now total elements from dictionary will be 3 now. Now we need to clear that. So now what I am trying to take, k1 dot clear. So whenever I am executing, then same thing, print of k1, and then after that you can take it list of the elements here. So execute. Now it will be the empty here, empty list. Total elements from dictionary is 0. So this is how we can use clear method in list data structure. Okay, so thank you so much. See you in the next class.